Did you know that the Fractal app, Frax for iPad or iPhone, can be used as a design tool? In my online video class, Fractal That Design, I will show you how to play with the pro version of the app and save designs for printing on fabric or for whatever else you want to use it for. Even better, you don't need to know what a fractal is to use the app. There are lots of fractals in the library, and the first one I started with was number 176, called Paint Can Explosion. And you can see it starts with an animation, but I'm going to stop that, turn it into what looks like a flat piece of fabric, and then pinch and turn and play until I see something I like. And I ended up with something a little like this for my first quilt called Cosmic Swirl. The second quilt I created started with Fractal 92 called Pinch Me, and I played around with this, got the color to be more green, and created the yard size wall quilt called Very Cellular. I had one of my students say, "This is even better than Candy Crush." You have to be careful, it can be addicting, but it's a lot of fun to find designs this way.